Welcome to MidnightSilverCrafters.com. My name's Steve, and I'll be your host. Welcome to part 2. We're going to be learning all about silver, and we're talking about silver and the difference between sterling silver and fine silver, and we're going to be learning a lot more about silver in this video. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so what we want to know what is sterling silver. Okay, now the difference between sterling silver and fine silver is sterling silver is pure silver with a little bit of copper mixed in. So sterling silver is just a little bit less than 10% copper. And the reason that the copper is mixed in with the silver is it makes the metal stronger and harder and more durable. So pure silver is 999 silver. That's pure silver. Now, normally we don't make jewelry out of pure silver because pure silver is actually softer. It's a little bit too soft for all around wear and tear for making jewelry. So we use the sterling. Okay, now with the sterling silver, because it has the copper and a little bit of other metals mixed in, the sterling silver is normally the choice for making jewelry. However, the sterling silver will tarnish much quicker than the pure silver because the sterling silver, the copper, it just makes it tarnish a lot faster. Okay, so now we're going to talk about all the different materials that you can actually purchase from a dealer or a jewelry company. Okay, first off, we got wire. Okay, now you can get wire in all different gauges, and if you see right below there, it says profiles. You can get oval, round, D-section, square, and quart. Now, these different profiles of wire are really handy for making ring shanks. Okay, you can make all different types of rings with these different profiles of wire. So the wire comes in all these profiles, and then also you can get twisted wire that's twisted for like maybe running around a bezel or just different effects that you might want to use when you're making your jewelry. And then you can buy sheet that's pre-made and pre-cut into various different size little plates of metal that you can just snip off what you want, and you can just mark your patterns out and cut your patterns out. But the sheet, just like the wire, comes in all different gauges. And then they also have tubing, okay, like hollow tubing you can get, and you can use the tubing for all different things as well. Now, all of those items that we just looked at, you can actually make all your own materials. Okay, all that stuff that we just saw, you can very easily make your own. You're just going to need a few tools. A rolling mill is designed to make sheet and wire, and roll down your metal and stuff. But you're going to need a few other tools to make your own materials. So look for my video. I'm getting ready to put up a video on how to make your own materials. So look for that video. Okay, now we're going to talk about softness and hardness of the metal. Now, what does it mean when you say that you have a piece of wire or sheet that's dead soft. Okay, dead soft means that material was fully annealed. Okay, now what annealing is? Annealing is when you heat your metal up and it softens the metal. Okay, now when you roll out metal or you roll it out or you pound it out or you twist it or you do anything work on it, it makes it work hardened. Okay, so you can get your materials in all different stages from hard to soft. Okay, annealing is something that's very important. If you're going to do silversmithing, you really need to know about and understand annealing. What annealing is just heating the metal up until it softens it and it makes it real soft and easy to work with. I got a really good video that'll teach you all about annealing. So be sure you watch that video and you'll really learn a lot about annealing. It's a really good video. But when you first start making a piece of jewelry, you want your metal to be dead soft. And that means that it's going to be real easy to work it and to shape it and to bend it and to turn it into the piece of jewelry that you're trying to make. So that's what dead soft is. It's freshly annealed. Okay, now we're going to talk about work harden. When you make a piece of jewelry, when it's completely finished, you want your metal to be work hardened. Now, when you work harden silver, okay, and then you go to polish it, work hardened silver, when you polish it, it's going to shine a whole lot brighter and better than dead soft. So you never want your jewelry to be dead soft when it's finished because it's not going to take a shine, it's not going to buff up as nice as if it's work hardened. And also it's going to be much softer and you don't want that. You want your metal to be as strong as possible so it'll be able to hold up to the wear and tear that that piece of jewelry may have to go through. There's a lot of different ways that you can work harden your silver. If you put a ring on a ring mandrel and you pound it with a hammer, that's going to work harden it. Now there's a lot of other things too that work hardens the metal. Buffing it work hardens it. You can put it in a tumbler and you can tumble it, and that will also work harden it. So most of the steps that you're going to do, hammering, twisting, pounding, and all the steps that you're going to do making that jewelry is going to work harden the metal. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap part 2 up here. So if you're new and this is your first time stopping by the channel, I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. But if you'll just click that little link and head on over to my main channel page, I got a short little video up there on my top of my channel page. It shows all the jewelry that I make and the stuff that I do and the stuff that I teach on this channel. So if you want to go watch that little video and see, everything that you can learn from subscribing to this channel, that'd be awesome. But I'd just love to have you as a subscriber. But if you do decide that you would like to subscribe to my channel, if you could just do me one little favor, if you could just leave me a little message down there in the comment box, if you could just type in there, I subscribed, that would just be great. I'd really appreciate that. And that would really help me out a lot as far as growing the channel. So, okay, I'm going to wrap it up here. in part 3, we're going to start talking about how you can make your own materials and the tools you're going to need and exactly how you can do that. So, all right, just click the link and head on over to part 3, and I'll see you there. My name's Steve, and I'll talk to you in the next video.